Okay, so just wait. Here is the response. Very cool, right? So yeah, this chatbot is working. Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we are going to build customer support chatbot using Chatbase. And not only that, we are also going to integrate the chatbot to the app. Okay, so don't worry guys, Chatbase is completely free. So if you click on pricing, as you guys can see, Chatbase offers a free plan. Obviously, there are some limitations when it comes to the free plan. For example, you can only have up to 20 messages per month and you can only build one chatbot. So make sure that you are fully aware of these limitations. Okay, so now let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to create your account on Chatbase. So just click build your chatbot, and I'm going to sign in using my Gmail account. So just click Google and click continue. Okay, so now just click new chatbot. Okay, so now we are going to train the customer support chatbot using our own data. As you guys can see, you have 5 options. The first option is to upload your file. It can be any type of file. It can be PDF, docs, and even TXT. And the second option is to type in the text here. The third option is to copy and paste the URL or the link to your website. The fourth option is to add the Q&A sections, and the fifth option is to connect Chatbase with your Notion account. So in this case, I'm going to copy and paste the URL to my website. Alright, so just go to Bubble and just click preview. And I'm going to copy and paste this link, alright? And I'm going to put it here and just click fetch links. Okay, so now it is fetching the link. Just wait, the process might take a couple seconds. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, alright? So now Chatbase is extracting all important informations and data from this website, alright? And Chatbase is going to use that data to train the chatbot. Okay, finally it is done. Okay, so there are 312 detected characters and your maximum limit is 400,000. Okay, so now just click create chatbot. Okay, so just wait guys. Now Chatbase is training the chatbot using these data, alright? So the process might take like couple seconds. Okay, so it's still trained the chatbot. So just wait. So your chatbot is going to look like this. The model that is being used is GPT 3.5. Okay, finally the chatbot is ready. Okay, so now I'm going to test this chatbot. I'm going to ask a questions. How to use AI resume parser tool. Okay, so just wait guys. Okay, here we go. This is the answer from the chatbot. So as you guys can see, this chatbot answered the questions based on these data. Very cool, right? Upload your resume by clicking on the upload button. Select the file containing your resume from your device. Once the file is uploaded, click on the analyze button. So it's exactly the same like what we have here. Okay, so now we are going to click embed on the site. So just make the chatbot public first. And now we are going to copy and paste the code. Okay, so just click copy script. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to integrate this chatbot to the app. So just go to Bubble and just click HTML. And just copy and paste the code here, alright? Okay, so I'm going to put this chatbot on the bottom. Okay, so now let's click preview. Okay, so just click on this chatbot icon. Okay, so here is the customer support chatbot. Okay, I'm going to test this chatbot to make sure it is working. Okay, so I'm going to ask a questions guys. How to use this AI tool? Okay, so just wait. Here is the response. Very cool, right? So yeah, this chatbot is working. Okay guys, we have successfully integrated this customer support chatbot to the app. I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video.